Welcome back to. Today we're about to indulge in a keto-friendly pasta dish that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Get ready for zucchini noodles with homemade pesto. This pasta alternative is not just low-carb and gluten-free, but also packed with the fresh flavors of basil, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. So, whether you're on a keto diet or simply looking for a healthier pasta option, this dish is for you. Now, without further ado, let's kick things off with the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need fresh zucchini, basil leaves, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic cloves, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, and a pinch of salt and pepper. These simple yet flavorful ingredients will create a satisfying and keto-friendly pasta alternative. Zucchini is our star player, turning into our pasta substitute. The fresh basil leaves and pine nuts will be transformed into a mouth-watering homemade pesto. And let's not forget the cherry tomatoes, adding a burst of color and freshness. Now let's start by spiralizing our fresh zucchini. Start by spiralizing your fresh zucchini to create those perfect zoodles. This is where the magic happens, transforming this humble vegetable into a pasta substitute that's not only nutritious, but also fits right into a keto diet. The beauty of spiralizing is that it's quick and easy, and before you know it, you have a pile of fresh, crisp zucchini noodles ready for the pan. With our zoodles ready, it's time to prepare our homemade pesto sauce. For our homemade pesto sauce, combine fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic cloves, and a drizzle of olive oil in a food processor. This blend of simple yet rich ingredients creates a vibrant, creamy sauce that will transform your zucchini noodles into a delicious, keto-friendly meal. The key here is to process until smooth, allowing the flavors to meld together into a delectable harmony. Now that our pesto is ready, it's time to cook our zoodles. In a hot pan, sauté the zucchini noodles with a touch of olive oil for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they're just tender. This quick cooking process will keep your zoodles al dente, preserving their crunch and vibrant green color. Remember, we don't want them too soft or mushy. We're aiming for a texture that's similar to regular pasta, but with a delightful garden-fresh twist. And there you have it, your zoodles are ready for the next step. Next, we'll combine our cooked zoodles with the homemade pesto sauce. Now, mix your cooked zoodles with our homemade pesto sauce. Coat them evenly for that wonderful flavor. You'll want to make sure every strand of zucchini is beautifully blanketed with that vibrant green pesto. This is where your dish really starts to come alive. The aromatic basil, the rich Parmesan, the toasty pine nuts, and the zingy garlic, all melding together with the fresh, light zoodles. It's a match made in culinary heaven. To add some freshness and color, let's toss in some halved cherry tomatoes. Add some halved cherry tomatoes to the zoodles. Their vibrant color and juicy texture bring a refreshing contrast to the rich, creamy pesto. Each bite is now a symphony of taste and texture, where the crunch of zucchini, the tanginess of tomatoes, and the smooth pesto blend harmoniously. The cherry tomatoes not only enhance the flavors but also add a delightful visual appeal to our dish, making it even more tempting. Lastly, we'll season our dish and serve. Season your dish with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These simple yet essential seasonings will bring out the vibrant flavors of the zucchini noodles and the homemade pesto. Now, it's time to plate your dish. Lay out your zoodles generously on a plate, ensuring that every strand is coated in our delicious pesto. Garnish with a sprinkle of Parmesan and a few basil leaves for that final touch. And there you have it, our delicious keto zucchini noodles with pesto, ready to be enjoyed. That's amazing. A keto-friendly pasta alternative that's bursting with flavor. The zucchini noodles are just tender, and that homemade pesto, simply divine. The cherry tomatoes add a fresh pop of color and taste. This dish proves that you don't have to compromise on taste while sticking to your keto lifestyle. If this recipe tickled your taste buds, remember to like, subscribe, and share the keto love. Thanks for joining me today and until next time, keep enjoying those guilt-free keto delights.